Hey boys and girls, and welcome to Science. Today we are going to continue explaining how different structures can be assembled from the same pieces. This is important so that you are aware how structures can be reassembled to make new structures. Last time we were here in Science, we learned that this structure was made out of lots of different small pieces of glass and cups and other things found in the Watt city where this tower is located. Have you ever constructed or built a structure out of smaller pieces? Have you ever built it maybe out of Legos or out of cards or out of markers? This structure is something similar to what we are going to be doing today in Science. Today you're going to use this graphic organizer. It's called Develop in Using Models. This graphic organizer right here, we're going to be using it to help plan a structure with materials. You are going to get 27 cubes. 27 cubes. If you're in person, you're going to get 27 cubes, and if you're on your computer, I'm going to give you a link to build your structure. So, before we build our structure, we need to plan out what our structure is going to look like. So, as you see here, I have drawn out with my 27 cubes what my structure is going to look like. Your structure can be however it is that you want it to look. This is what I planned out and this is what I made. Okay? So, now it is your turn to try. You are going to get the same graphic organizer and 27 cubes to create your structure. So go ahead and get out your science journal, and I want you to think about what you want your structure to look like. And turn to the next clean page and go ahead and start drawing out what you think your structure will look like. Maybe think about something that would be different from anybody else. That way everyone's is kind of unique to their own. And then you're going to get a chance to build your structure using snap cubes. So go ahead and get your notebook, go ahead and be thinking of your structure, and meet me back on Zoom.